Panda Pants! Playing with what's left of a tennis ball today. It's the only thing I could find in the van, so here we are with Panda Pants. We're letting nature be our exercise machine today. The river's moving pretty quick, so this is a good little workout for her. Aw. Here. Thank you. Finally a day that's been warm enough, you know, I could get her out here into the river. She's such a good swimmer too. Oh, is you happy, girl? It's like, yeah, Dad. Yeah. Yeah. I needed some exercise. I hadn't mentioned that she actually hurt her foot. She's been limping pretty hard, so I've been taking it easy. She's been a little bit, you know, cooped up, so nothing a little ball play can't fix, you know what I mean? You ready? That current's ripping, isn't it? You don't care. You're just happy to play. Oh, thank you. Ready? Let's go further. I stopped watching her for like 2 seconds and it created a riptide down there or something, the swirly things, you know. And she got caught in them and was biting at them because they were pulling her around. It was kind of funny. I wish I would have been recording it. Oh, good girl. You ready? Ooh, even further. She's a pretty good swimmer. Nice thing is down here it shallows out and she's figured that out, so she's had a couple where she's come a little bit close, but it's pretty shallow. She can fight it right there, and this little spot over here is kind of a bay, you know. If it gets she's too far down.